channel. My name is Mandy and today is a very exciting day because we kick off Advent calendar season, and what better way to start off than with the 2022 Net-a-Porter Advent calendar. Before we go any further in the video, if you're new, can I please ask that you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell, because if you love Advent calendar unboxings, there are so many more to come and this way you won't miss out. Let's get back to unboxing the 2022 Net-a-Porter Advent calendar. This one is worth over 1,700 Australian dollars and is retailing for 519 Australian dollars. Let's have a look at the box. There are 12 full-size products and look at how luxe the packaging is. This one usually sells out really fast, so you'll probably want to get your hands on it really soon if you want this box. First of all, I love that it has 25, not 24, not 12, 25 full days for you to unbox. Can I just say, this package is also super heavy. I don't know what's in it, but definitely has some weight to it. Let's check out number one. We have the Charlotte Tilbury full-size lipstick, the Kissing lipstick in Nude Romance. I love Charlotte Tilbury. They usually retail for 57 Australian dollars and this shade is beautiful. What a strong start. So for number two, we have Chapman London Skinesis Intense Hydrating Booster. I've been meaning to try the serum because I tend to have really dry skin, and this is a win for me, especially since it has hyaluronic acid and we love that. Number three is the Deep Sleep Pillow Spray from This Works. This is a mid-level brand and it's 35 ml, so not the full size. I haven't personally got a pillow spray right now, so I'm pretty keen to try this one. Number four is the Balmain Paris Silk Perfume. This is for the hair. Super luxe brand, we love. This is full size. It smells amazing. I can't wait to try this one. It usually retails for 61 AUD. Number five is the Westman Atelier Lit Up Highlight Stick. Love the packaging, the magnetic closure, and oh my gosh, check out the shade. It's a premium brand and this is full size and usually retails at 72 AUD. Number six is the BBB London Slanted Tweezers. I really feel like this is like a filler product. I'm not really for it. I have a few tweezers already, so a bit disappointed because of the value and retailing price of this advent calendar. I really expected more, but yeah. BBB London Slanted Tweezers. Number seven is the Wonder Beauty Double Date Eyeshadow Duo in the shade Smitten and Swoon. I think this is honestly perfect for carrying around in your purse because you've got two colors, the shimmery one here and a cream color at the bottom. And there's also a mirror. This is full size, has a super cute design and usually retails for 40 AUD. Number eight is the MZ Skin Hydra Bright Gold Eye Mask, and there's two of them. I love, love, love eye masks. I use the Peter Thomas Roth 24 karat gold ones almost daily, so definitely keen to try these ones. Number nine is the Margaret Dabbs London Fabulous Hand. So this is a hand serum, super interesting because I've never actually tried or seen a hand serum before, so this is different. Ooh, and it's meant to be used overnight. Number 10 is the Claus Porto Cherry and Spice Candle. Oh my God, it smells amazing. I mean, I love candles, but you can never have too many, can you? Totally looking forward to adding this into my candle collection. Even though it is small, it's a win for me because who doesn't love candles? Number 11 is the Costa Brazil Lua Moonlight Body Oil. It's 30 ml and has a really cute, sleek packaging. I just wish it came in the full size because I love body oils and this one smells honestly absolutely incredible. Number 12 is the Aromatherapy Associates London Deep Relax Rollerball. This one is 10 ml and these are usually applied on your wrists and temples. I'm not usually into rollerballs, but if you're into that, this one is for sleep and tranquility. Number 13 is Agent Nature Holy Bright Resurface Glass Face Mask. Ooh, glass face mask. I am already a big fan because it's a mask and I love masks, but glass face mask. So I think this is the one that makes your skin all dewy. Super keen to try this. This one's only 30 mils, but I really wish they sent us the full size. Number 14 is, oh my gosh, Dr. Barbara Sturm, the Good C Vitamin C Serum. This is in the full size 30 mils. I'm super excited for this one, guys. Oh my gosh. This brand is super luxe. This is the full size and usually retails at Mecca for 207 AUD. So definitely super happy with this one. This has made the box worth it. Number 15 is Center's Dorian Amber Soap. It's got a beautiful shape and it says this is handcrafted in Lebanon. Number 16 is the Surat Lash Curler. I feel like this is another filler item. I just have so many lash curlers already. Honestly, a bit of a letdown considering the cost of this box. Number 17 is another Dr. Barbara Sturm product. This is the anti-aging body cream. Already excited because it's Barbara Sturm. This one is 50 mils, so not the full size, but I've been really trying to invest in more body care. So I'm super excited to try this anti-aging body cream. Definitely wish this came in the full size though. Number 18 is the Omara Vixa Balancing Moisturizer. I haven't used this one before. This one is 30 mils, so it's not the full size, but I have heard that it's great for controlling oiliness on your face. So I will definitely give this a try. Number 19 is the Face Gym Multi-Sculpt Tool. I've been recently loving using gua sha, so super keen to try this one because there are so many different ways to use this multi-sculpt tool from them. You can also scan the QR code here and they'll teach you how to use it. It's a yes from me. They retail for about 100 AUD. Number 20 is the Aurelia London Conditioning Eye and Lash Cleanser. This is a full-sized one and it retails at around 69 AUD. I love how gentle this one is. Number 21 is Tata Harper Regenerating Cleanser. I am super particular with my cleansers, so this one's probably going to my husband Jason, who will love this one. It also says that this can be used as a daily exfoliating treatment. Number 22 is the Noble Panacea Rejuvenation Night Balm. I'm super excited about this. This is a super luxe product. There's 5 little pods in this one, but the full size is 30 pods and they retail for 650 AUD. So I'm actually super excited to be able to try it, even though there's only 5 little pods in this one. Number 23 is the Ven Vitamin B Activated All-in-One Concentrate. This one is 20 mils, so it's not full size, but I am super excited to try it because it's an all-in-one. How cool is that? It also says you're supposed to see results within 24 hours of using this. Number 24 is Dr. Dennis Gross Brighten and Firm Vitamin C Serum. This one is only 9 milliliters, so not full size, but I have been wanting to try this, so glad that it was inside the advent calendar because now I can try it to see if I want the full size. Lastly, number 25 is the Augustinus Beta Face Oil. I always love a face oil because it's just so hydrating. So super keen to try this one. This one is only 10 milliliters, so not full size, but it's going to be a yes from me because I love face oils. So this is the 2022 Net-a-Porter Advent Calendar box. What did you think of this year's box? Let me know in the comments below. This was my first Net-a-Porter Advent Calendar box, and I'm kind of glad I got it because there were a lot of products that I was very, very happy with and I really felt like was value for money for this box. Even though there were a few filler items and items that were a bit small that I didn't really like, but overall I was really happy with the box. If this is the Advent Calendar box for you, make sure you get it fast because they are limited, and I'll leave a link below too so you can go and get it from there. Thank you so much for watching this video and hopefully you've enjoyed this unboxing as much as me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!